Last week, we talked about two things. First, we talked about the seasonality in July based on the Goldman Sachs analyst chart. And I mentioned that here's a level, 45. This is the first level that you need to come in above and break out before you can challenge 4,600. However, I also talk about that there's a end of the quarter effect, means that June 30, they actually mark a meaningful high, a significant high. We need to see which of the scenario play out. So far, this seems like significant high, a swing high. Whenever we have a end of quarter form, whether it's a swing low or swing high, that is meaningful and also significant as well. But so far, I'm not too worried about whether it's seasonality or whether it's the quarter end effect, or I'm focusing on is the price action. If we see a breakout happen from here, a breakout from this point, like break above 44.80, 44.90, means that it's going to challenge the next resistance at about 4,600. Last week, we were here. This is Monday, then we got a holiday. And on Wednesday is here. And after that, we got a spike of the volume, spike of the supply on 2 days, Thursday and also Friday. These 2 days, there comes with an increasing of the supply. So slight increase of the supply and with a reaction. It's still in a pullback mode, but the immediate support level is somewhere around here. This is a minor level. It actually respects this level so far. It had tested first time, second time, 44.20, shadow, and then there's a hammer, spring the previous swing low. And if this level can hold, means that this tested the previous swing. And although it comes with slight increase of the supply, but look at this. This is low, a higher low with slight increase of the supply. So what does it mean? It means that there is an absorption at this level. Although this is still unfolding, it's still ongoing. Still can break below and to test this low. We need to see whether we'll see a bounce up from here. So far, short term, this is still a pullback mode, and we probably need to see another test here because we got a slight increase of the supply. I really want to see whether we can hold at this level and then from a higher low before we consolidate and then break out of this level. If we see there is a lower low form, that could still be in this sideways movement. It will take more time to consolidate and then eventually break out. What we want to see ideally is the decrease of the supply level. So far, this is still a pullback, or at most, it's still sideways movement within this level, 4490, 4480 to this 4420 or 4000. This is the range that is consolidating. And in terms of the rest of the index, one thing I find it very interesting is that if we hover, just look at a mouse here, over here, this is a swing high. Whether you're looking at the S&P 500, whether it's a Dow Jones, or whether it's a Nasdaq, or even the Russell 2000 swing high. And where are we now? Let's take a look. So if we take a look here, this is high, and this is the current price going down. This is high, current price going down. This is high, current price going down. This is high, current price is at the previous high. So can you see this? Russell 2000 recovered very well after the reaction. It have a very strong recovery, while the rest of the index is like this, and then sideways, here, sideways, here, sideways. Unlike Russell 2000 shows outperformance. And if you look at the watch list from last week, there is quite a lot of the stocks still holding up very well, and including some of the growth stocks like Dash, like Glock E, even still keep going up. Build a lot of those previously as growth stocks, they hold up the gain very well, or even still rally up a little bit. This is something that's worth to pay attention to because it's likely that we will experience a rotation, which I mentioned a few times already. Because look at this impressive run. First swing up, second swing up, third leg up, and then here. Consolidation is one of the scenario that I anticipate, and we also discuss it at least a few times. While it's consolidating, I mentioned that it could rotate to S&P 500, so they can still keep push up to the next level, 4,600. Or most importantly, I really want to see a rotation into Russell 2000, means that they will have a lot of the small to mid cap stocks to trade from. So far, this leg up is really outperformance from Russell 2000 and also a reflection in the watch list as well. A lot of the small to mid cap stocks still be very resilient. If that's the case, it's really a good thing because while Nasdaq or even the S&P 500 are consolidating, then Russell 2000, if it can breaks out from here, I have another test breaking out and then go to the next level, 2020, somewhere around here, the previous swing high level, that will be very, very constructive because we'll have more improvement in terms of the market breadth and also a lot more stocks to trade from rather than to focus on the Nasdaq or either the S&P 500 stocks. This is very important level. Once we have a breakout from here, then the next level is 2000 to 2050. This is the zone that I want to see get tested before another pullback consolidation and then go up. All right, so this is the potential rotation into the small to mid cap stocks that I mentioned or have been discussed for a few weeks already. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.